Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you install Whisper.cpp on Android with Termux, Offline Speech-to-Text AI, 2026. Let's get started. Install Termux and configure. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Run Termux setup storage and grant storage access. Then run package update and in package upgrade. Why to get the latest packages? Install dependencies. Run package install git cmake python wget build essential. Why? Git pulls the code, cmake and build essential compile it. Git downloads models, Python runs helper scripts. Clone and build Whisper.cpp. Run git clone https://github.com/ggml-base.en.bin/whisper.cpp and in cd whisper.cpp and in make j4. The J4 flag uses 4 CPU cores for faster compilation on your phone. Download a Whisper model. Run bash models/download ggml-base.en. This downloads the 140 megabytes base English model in ggml format, optimized for mobile devices with 4 GB plus RAM. Transcribe your first audio. Run /main models/ggml-base.en.bin fsamples/jfk.wav otxt. Your phone instantly transcribes the sample audio. You now have offline speech-to-text on Android. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. Get the complete guide with all the scripts and troubleshooting at lawalfataikola.gumroad.com. See you tomorrow.